Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create assemblies in FreeCAD. Assemblies allow you to combine multiple parts into a single project so you can see how components fit together, test movement, and build more complex designs. Whether you're working on mechanical systems, product designs, or engineering projects, understanding assemblies is an important skill. So let's get started. First, launch FreeCAD and open the project that contains the parts you want to assemble. If your components haven't been created yet, you'll need to model or import them before building the assembly. Next, switch to the Assembly workbench, available in your version of FreeCAD. Depending on your setup, you may be using one of the supported assembly tools designed for managing multiple components within a single project. Once you're inside the Assembly workspace, create a new assembly and save your project. This helps keep all assembly relationships and components organized from the beginning. And that's how to create assemblies in FreeCAD. By combining parts and applying assembly constraints, you can build detailed multi-component designs and better understand how your products function in the real world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.